Guys, let's go to this app and check. We did it today. Let's just check make a small recap. Actually, these results are from yesterday. Let's skip them. But what I know is we did nail it because our code was 122. So with 122, as I told you, we see 1 plus 22 gave us 23, which is 32. If you subtract, actually the 22 was there because it was a banker. Then if you subtract, you get a 10. The 10 is going to come on the tea time draw. Then if you say 2 plus 2, you get a 4, you carry that, you get a 14. So it was all in all 3 numbers correct, of which we are happy with that. If we separate, it gave us a 21 that dropped on Betway. And this 21 and this 10, they're supposed to drop as a combination on tea time. And guys, as I told you, let me just be clear, because some people they're asking, 200 is for the books, each book. Then 300 is for the joining. But sometimes if somebody joins my group, I always give them the book so that they know exactly what we are doing. You understand? It's an advantage for you to know what is happening. You know, I always come up with new strategies, even though they change, but I know that I'll create a strategy that will work consistently, even if we can work for 2 or 3 weeks. That is why we are there as predators, to make sure that we become creative each and every day, you know. Okay, so let us focus on the tea time draw. So with the tea time, we are having 21 210. This is the code for tea. So this code is accurate because it says 21 and 10. If we say 2 plus 1, you get a 3, then you carry that to make it a 30. So 21, 30. But because I don't know who's presenting today, I don't want to shout out the names of the presenters because UK49 might change it. So sometimes the 20 comes as 21 just to destroy us, because still this is saying 21. Because if you take is a 20 there, there's a 1 or a 10. So that is how the matrix is going. Then mind you guys, we're going to say, let's say from that code 2010, you say 2 minus 10, you get an 8. You see, that should be maybe our bonus board. What if this number just comes like as 21 10 bonus 8, or 21 10 43 bonus 8 still? I'm going to lay this number is like this: 21 10 43 bonus 8, or 21 10 8 then bonus 43. Put it that way, maybe it can be, yeah, okay. Then we go to the second code, 123. So if we say 1 plus 23 is 24, this number is coming, showcase 24 must drop. If we separate, we get a 9. 9 is already dropped. So what we're going to do, we will say 12 plus 3, we get a 15. Because if we say 1 minus that, we get 22. That is already dropped. So we won't focus on the number that is dropped. The next part that we're going to focus on, if it's 123, remember that strategy that I always say. We say 1 plus 2, we get a 3. We carry that, it gives us a 33. 2 plus 3 is a 5. We carry that, gives us a 15. So 15 33 also is a nice combination. There is a guy who created this code in the morning. He's in my group. He did very well, although he did not manage to hit 5 numbers, but he cracked 5 numbers from the code, and then they dropped. I don't know, he failed because of 1. I don't know, I forgot his name, but he's good. He's good, he's coming right. Then we go to code 142. Code 142, it shows us that there's a 21 there. 14 is already dropped. We also have a 24. So it's accurate now. We are knowing that with our bankers, like if we can look at this code closely, you see there's a 21, there's a 10, there's a 12, there's a 23, there's a 24, there's a 42. I think the best way for us to pick the numbers, let's just pick what we see inside the code. Let's pick what we see inside the code. Definitely we will make it on this one. We will make it. Guys, actually I'm not feeling that well, but I'm gonna get well soon, and then the fight continues. But I promise you, I know these numbers will drop on Betway. They'll also drop on UK49. So guys, please keep on subscribing, liking the videos, and come and join my WhatsApp group, and also come and purchase the books. Thank you very much guys, I appreciate it.